Morning, myself, Dhruv. Today our topic is our neighbors in planet. Who all are the Earth's neighbors? The sun, the moon, and the star are the neighbors. So the sun shines brightly during the daytime. At night, we see the moon and the stars twinkling in the sky. Let us learn more about the Earth's beautiful neighbors, such like the sun. The sun is a star. It is like a big ball of hot gases. The sun is the center or the heart of the solar system. It is the source of life on earth since it gives us heat and light. So it is the only heavenly body in the solar system which has its own light. And the sun is by far the largest object in the solar system. So the sun is so large that the earth could easily fit inside, and the sun a million times. So all the planets, including the earth, move around the sun. So the sun is important to us for various reasons, such like it is the source of heat and light. Second is the sun gives us energy that can be used for several purposes. After that, plants prepare food with the help of sunlight, and the energy which we get from the sun is called solar energy, and this energy is used for cooking, lighting up lamps on the street, and even to run cars. Now we are talking about the moon. The moon is our closest neighbor. It is round in shape. The moon is smaller than the sun, but it looks as big as the sun became. It is closer to the earth than the sun. So the moon is the earth's only natural satellite, and it moves around the earth. A satellite moves around the planets just as the capital moves around the sun. So the moon shines at night, but it does not have light of its own. So it receives light from the sun. So the part which receives sunlight is the part that is seen from the earth. So the moon has no life. Water was discovered on moon in 2009. So there is no wind or weather on the moon. Now we are talking about the star. So when you look at the night sky, you can see thousands of beautiful stars shining brightly. So the stars are huge ball of fire that have heat and light of their own. So the brightest star in the sky is the pole star. So have you wondered why stars appear small while the sun looks bigger and brighter? So the stars appear small because they are far from us. So while the sun is, we can say that the sun is nearer, that is why it looks bigger and brighter. And a group of stars is known as a constellation. They form patterns in the sky, so that looks like figures of peoples, animals, or any other characters. So the Great Bear or Ursa Major is one of the clearest constellations, and it is a third largest constellation in the sky. So some other constellation or clusters of stars are Scorpius and the Leo. So points to remember is that the earth has three neighbors: the sun, the moon, and the star. The sun is a star and is at the center of the solar system. The sun is the source of life on the earth, and also the moon is just smaller than the sun, but seems to be the same size because it's closer to the earth and compared to the sun. So the moon does not have its own light. The stars have their own heat and light, and a group of stars is known as constellation.